Welcome to Gaslands Racing. Today we got an exciting race, but before we get into that, we're going to take a little tour around the track. The cars are going to start at the bottom here of the Suicide, and you'll see why it's called the Suicide soon. They're going to come around here and into the elevator. Once inside, they're going to take the 10-minute ride all the way up the Suicide to start their engines and then start the race. They'll start at the top here and down the 45 angle slope, which is going to give them more than enough speed to do the entire race. It's a 2-lane track all the way to the first bend, and then it's a free-for-all around the Gaslands TV camera and through gate number 1. There's 4 in total on the track, including the finish line. We didn't get the track ready in time for 2022, so they're going to have to deal with that. And if they do, they're going to come around bend number 2, where there is the parking lot, and all the contestants of the previous year are there to show their support and maybe fire a few shots. Then they're going to come down the straight here into gate number 2, where they get their second point, and around bend number 3, around Ember Prime, where there is our monster truck there with his flamethrower, ready to do some damage if you come off the track, so try to stay on the track there. And into gate number 3, into a really long straightaway here. This is a fast straightaway. It's almost 45 degrees downwards, granting the drivers the speed they need to do the jump across the finish line into Purple City here, where our Gaslands camera crew are waiting to capture all the moment. And on top of that, if a driver manages to put part of his car into any of these openings here, it is an escape route to Mars. They'll win a ticket to Mars off this planet and to the beautiful, luxurious Mars that awaits above. And today we got the finals. Revin versus Sonic Reducer. Who will take the championship for 2022? Let's take a look at some stats here. Revin by Zack Steiner, driven by Angel from USA. Likes open highways, whiskey, and the smell of tire smoke. Dislikes the fuzz, staying in one place, and long relationships. Sponsored by House Steiner. Up against Sonic Reducer by Adam McClendon, driven by Frontman from Cleveland. Likes screaming and dislikes disco. Let us know in the comments if you also dislike disco. Alright, they're at the bottom of the Suicide, getting ready for the 9 upcoming races. That's right, you heard right, 9. Let's hope their cars can last that long. Alright, race number 1. Who will take this one? And let's go. They're off. Sonic Reducer in the front. Not sure what happened to Revin, but Sonic finishes the race and lost the body off the car. And another piece also might have been his gun. Not sure how this is gonna affect his other races. He smashed into our Mini Cooper there and completely lost his gun and his body. But hopefully the mechanics are gonna be fixing that up. We lost Revin right in front of gate number 1, so no points there. Race number 2, here we go, and they're off. Sonic Reducer takes the lead again. Is Revin anywhere close? Coming into the finish line? We only have Sonic Reducer. Not sure what happened to Revin. So far Sonic's doing a pretty decent job. Revin there past gate number 1, so he gets a point. Let's go to race number 3, and they're off. Revin, oh no, Sonic just launched him off, and Sonic also went off. He turned around to look back to see if his job was done, which made him lose control right in front of Ember Prime, and the turret takes a few shots here at Revin. There's a lot of damage getting done here, but these cars are resilient, and we're gonna go for the next race here. And they're off. Oh, we lost Sonic right at the start line. Revin flying his speed into the tunnel, and he gets a ticket to Mars. Actually, he said he really wanted a ticket because he's going after Chadevil, who escaped, and he believes she's on Mars, so he's going to try to find her there. And I think Sonic Reducer said the same thing. These guys are going for tickets. And Sonic takes a few shots at Revin, but Revin continues and into the finish line, but Sonic Reducer doesn't reach the finish line. So that's a win for Haven. These guys really want tickets. They want to get She Devil. There's a reward out there to get her. And Revin is flying. He's really, oh, not a good jump there at the end to get the ticket, but finished first, so that's a good race for him. Let's go to another race here. I don't even know what number we're at anymore. They're just racing. Look at these guys switching positions side by side. Revin comes in, almost gets another ticket. Where is Sonic? He's getting way too much damage. Losing his body maybe in the first race kind of did something to his balance, but there's more to come. Revin gets a good lead here in the front. Revin's speed is finally showing. He was our fastest in time trials in 2022, so he's showing off his speed there. And we're off to another race here, side by side again, but Sonic loses control right after the construction site, and Revin comes in, lands on his roof, and that is that for the races. Let's go to time trials. Let's see who's faster on the track alone. No distractions, no other cars, just you and the open road. And he's off. Let's see how Sonic Reducer does. Pretty good time here, 4.33. Very good time. But he's up against our speed champion, the fastest on track. So let's see if he could beat his own record. And he's off. Revin Haven flying down the track. And it gets another ticket to Mars. He really wants to go up there and find Chad Devil, bring her back for the reward money. What's that? Did he lose a gun there? Can't really see what came out of the car there before it went into the tunnel for a ticket to Mars. What an ending to the 2022 championship here at Gaslands Mountain with the suicide and everything. That is the helicopter shot. No, that is the driver. Oh my god, is he okay? He looks like he's in shock, literally in shock. But we're still gonna give him the ticket. The car went into the tunnel. Driver or no driver, let's do some x-ray vision here through the tunnel to see where the car is. And there's no driver in that car, but I guess we give the ticket. There's no rules. We don't know what to do in this situation, but we'll give him the ticket. Go up there and get Chad Devil. Alright, let's take a look at some stats. Sonic Reducer at 45 grams. Won 2 of the races with 19 gates and a time of 4.33. Good job there. Next up, we have Revin Haven coming in at 41 grams. Won 5 of the races, 25 gates, a time of 3.90, and 2 tickets to Mars this race. But there can only be one champion in 2022, and it is Revin Haven by Zack Snyder. Congratulations on the championship win for 2022. Your car was the fastest and the best at racing. Congratulations. What a finish to the championship. And this just in, we do have a race scheduled between Che Devil and another driver, because he went up there, found her, got the reward money, brought her back, and now she's forced to race. So stay tuned for that race and a few other bonus races. Make sure to like and subscribe, and go to our Etsy page. In the description of this video, you have the link there. You can buy containers full of awesome 3D printed guns and flamethrowers and wheels and tires and engines and all kinds of cool stuff. So make sure to check it out. Thank you so much, everyone. We passed the 700 sales mark. You guys have been amazing in the support of this channel. And you could make sure that I'll be back in 2023 with some tutorial videos and more terrain and car builds. Happy holidays, happy new year, and I'll see you next time. Hello. Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure they bought the story about the Mars race and everything. Yeah. No, we just said that we caught Che Devil and she was up in Mars and stuff, so we're gonna set up a race maybe with someone in the car. Don't know if you want to put her in the car or someone else, but tint the windows or something. I don't know. We'll figure something out. No, I'm pretty sure that they're gonna believe it. The viewers believe what they see online mostly. So yeah, I'm pretty sure they bought the whole thing. All right, I'll see you next time.